Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of Orlando. I didn't really get much sleep yesterday, so I'm kind of feeling a bit under the weather. It's currently 11. We have our like swimming suits under our clothes because we're gonna go grab some food and then we're gonna go head out to Volcano Bay. Hey guys, here's what I ordered. I got a kid's tender meal. Can you guys see? It's really good and it comes with the milk. Alright. We're gonna eat this and then walk around a little bit and then we're gonna head to Volcano Bay. We're waiting for the Volcano Bay shuttle bus, which is here actually, so it is so hot here in Florida. We made it to Volcano Bay. It is so pretty. We're walking to the pool park. It is so hot though. I don't know how much I can record it here because I know they don't let you record on rides, but I'll see what I can do. The waves are coming! Look at everyone! I look ridiculous right now, do I? There's a sign over there. Are we gonna go in now? Let's go in now? Yeah. Okay, I can't record on the rides, so I'm gonna put this camera away, but I'll tell you guys, I'll update you guys when we get to like, we get food or something. Right as we're about to leave, there's another wave. Actually, I think every like 5 minutes. Everyone's doing the move, you guys see that? I don't think you guys understand how bad this tan is. Like, I would show you, but I shouldn't. Look at tell. Look how tan I am. It's so bad. I think I'm tanner on camera. I don't know. Skin is still fucking white. Like, the tanning also just, like I said, I didn't get much clips at Volcano Bay because we weren't allowed to bring any cameras or anything on the slides. And now we are gonna go to City Walk. I just showered, washed my hair, and I'm getting ready now. I need to blow dry my hair. Look at this blow dryer that the hotel uses. So cute. I don't know if you can see, but I'm pretty sure I'm also sunburned. My face always does this, especially in these areas. I am pretty sensitive. You know what? I give up. I was. What happened? My makeup. I said I give up.
I don't know. It's trying to kidnap someone.
What's up, everyone? We're chilling in City Walk. Is that? Yeah. We're in the entrance of Universal Studios right now. Look at the mist, bro. It feels so nice. We're going into. Are you gonna come in with me? Oh, it's moist. Oh my god. Woo. Look at it. This lady is like.
She's going for it. She's a
Y'all, this is insane. Like, we've been taking a bunch of pictures. This is so beautiful.